5 and I believe pangalawang beses niyo na po dito.
Yes.
Ayun. Sir, may bago kay James Reid.
Right now?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. My album.
Pero siyempre, interview muna tayo. Nagmamadali po ba kayo?
No.
Alright, good. Good. Sige, natatakot ako sa mga cameras na nakapalibot sa akin. Sir, kamusta po ang buhay-buhay?
Right now, I'm very busy actually.
You're exclusive with ABS-CBN po?
Yes, ABS.
Pero ang management po ninyo ay
Viva.
Alright. So, kamusta ang pag-handle ng Viva sa inyo?
Viva takes very good care of me. Yes.
Pag-alis niyo po, paglabas niyo po ng bahay ni Kuya, din sa PBB, after that po, anong nangyari sa buhay ni James Reid? Kagad ba na kumanta ka kagad? Hindi naman, di ba?
No.
So,
Actually,
what happened
I didn't know
after
how to
that?
sing actually back then.
Really?
No, I didn't. It was only maybe a year, 2 years after I started to learn to sing. Because of mall shows, things like that, being on TV. But it was not until 2013 that I really decided that's what I wanted to do.
Yun eh. So, nag-voice lessons po kayo?
No.
Oh! Sino nagturo?
No one. Just singing in the shower.
Ayun. Sir, kahapon kasi meron akong half Pinoy, half Australian din na guest. And tinanong ko sa kanya, kung ikaw ay merong girlfriend o sabihin na nating lifetime forever na dadalhin sa Australia, saan mo siya unang ipapasyal?
In Australia, well, there's a lot of beautiful places, but for me, I guess it would have to be the Gold Coast or Queensland, the beautiful beaches sort of thing. I mean, that's just me. I love the beach.
Sir, kayo po ba'y na-busted na? Na-reject na ba kayo ng isang babae?
I don't think so.
Wala pa, sir?
Maybe a heart evangelista.
Nanligaw ka kay Heart?
No, I'm just kidding.
Alright.
I wish.
Akala ko kung kailan ikakasal, tsaka tayo maghahabol eh. Anyway, sige po. Sir, talagang wala naman kayo something ni Nadine Lustre?
To find something.
Kayo na po ba?
No, we're just friends.
Ay, showbiz na showbiz ang sagot eh.
No, it's true. We're just
Nasa Viva din po siya?
Yes.
Talagang kayo ang love team?
Yes.
Gaano na katagal? Kasi naalala ko po, nag-floor director ako sa Moments, yung kay Gladys Reyes. Ay, parang a year ago na.
Started with our first movie, Kahit na Pangit. That was in April.
So ano ang, any chances of, courting her or yung tipong ganon? Siya pwede sagutin, pwedeng hindi baka sabihin mo eh. Pero mas maganda sinasagot po talaga.
Well, right now, we're both busy and we're really just friends. But I mean, we have plans for Valentine's Day.
Alright, sir. Sabi ni Nora Serrato, yung ating isa sa mga listeners, kung ikaw po itatanungin, may ibang ka-love team aside from Nadine Lustre, sino po?
Who would I choose?
Yes.
For love team? That's hard. I mean, I've only really had one strong love team. That's Nadine so far. And if I could choose another one, I don't think that's for me to say. I think that's up to boss.
Na yung sabihin, ikaw papili. You have the will to choose.
I would choose Angelina Jolie.
Wow! Siyempre, Pinay.
Same age?
Pwede hindi. Nasa sa inyo yun.
Who would I pick? Well, one of my first crushes in show business.
Yan.
Was Casey
Crushes na
Concepcion.
lang.
She was one of my first crushes.
Oh.
Casey Concepcion.
Nakatrabaho mo na siya? Not yet?
No, not yet.
Ano yung dream role mo, sir, bilang isang actor?
Maybe fantasy or action, something. Maybe fantasy, yeah.
Yung mga lumilipad, like Superman?
Yeah, that would be cool.
Wow. Alright. And dream concert po, any plans of, having a concert with Nadine or sino man?
Concert, hopefully one day, yes. But for now, I have a lot of mall tours. I'm promoting my album, so.
Yun. Sige. Mga Pinas, mag-no erase muna tayo. Pagkatapos nito, yung latest ni James Reid. 3:32 ng hapon.
Tagal din na ito'y kinikimkim. Kung sasabihin ba ay diringgin,
aaminin bang tinitagong lihim
walang kopyahan. Pag-isipang mabuti, pagkat isang tanong lang naman. Keep na ba? Anong na? Sure na ba? Sige na, ang ayoko lang naman ma-feel out of place. Sige na ba? Ano na? Sure na ba? Oo na. Wala nang bawian, mamatay man. You know it is. No, 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 oh. Wala nang bawian, mamatay man. You know it is. No, 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 oh. Wala nang bawian, mamatay man. You know it is. No, 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 no. Nooy nagtatanim magsapit ko'y ewan na lang. Ngayong nagpunga ang pag-ibig ay abang lang ng abang.
Iba't noong nasa dilim, ika'y nagbuhat ng kinang. Ngayon ako'y mapapansin sa iyong liwanag ay iba.
Parang isang pagsusulit na right man is wrong. Kung di alam ay wag hulaan.
Pag-isipang mabuti,
Pagkat isang tanong lang naman.
kita pa,
Anong na?
sure na ba?
Sige na, ang ayoko lang naman ma-feel out of place. Sige na ba?
Ano na?
Sure na ba? Oo. Wala nang bawian, mamatay man. You know it is. No, 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 oh. Wala nang bawian, mamatay man. You know it is. No, 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 oh. Wala nang bawian, mamatay man. You know it is. Parang isang pagsusulit, kumpletuhin ang patlang at bawal ang tsambahan.
Pag-isipang mabuti,
Pagkat isang tanong lang naman.
kita pa,
Anong na? Sige na, ang ayoko lang naman ma-feel out of place. Sige na ba?
ano na?
Sure na ba?
Oo na.
Wala nang bawian, mamatay man. You know it is. No, 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 oh. Wala nang bawian, mamatay man. You know it is. No, 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 oh. Wala nang bawian, mamatay man. You know it is. Sige na, ang ayoko lang naman ma-feel out of place. Sige na, ano na? Sure na ba?
Oo na.
Wala nang bawian, mamatay man. You know it is. Wala nang bawian, mamatay man. You know it is.
Siyempre, James Reid and Nadine Lustre, no? Race 3:35 ng Hapon. Kasama pa rin si Coach Jico. May nagtanong dito, Nika Nebreha, anong masasabi mo na pag kinukumpara ang love team ninyo ng Jadine at Katniel? Nape-pressure ka daw ba?
Pressure? Not really. It's more of a like. For me, it's a good thing. I mean, like I'm flattered when people say that because they're comparing us to the best. You know,
Parang,
the best
hindi, ang totoo
team
niya,
love team.
parang after them, kayo na kaagad eh. Parang wala namang iba eh. Pwede pa nga parang level na kayong dalawa ngayon eh.
Given that we only started last April, I
Yes.
think it's a good thing.
Paano nga pala yung bonding mo with your father? Na alam ko, you're with your father, right? So,
Yes.
paano yung bonding moments ninyo?
Well, actually, the only time I get to see him is when I get home from taping or something at night. So, but he always comes with me on out of town trips.
That's good.
So, mall tours out of town. So always fly together.
Wow.
Right now, so busy, don't get to spend much time. So,
Alright, so yung album mo, yung bagong album ito, ikaw lang mag-isa. Wala kang collaborate. Wala si
actually,
Nadine?
Nadine's also on it. There's one track, Hanap Hanap. It's featuring Nadine also. Not featuring Nadine, it's a duet.
Alright, so tell us more about the album, please.
The album, it has 6 tracks. 5 of them are composed by Thyra Newmy.
Wow.
Yes, the best.
The best.
Songwriters for me. Also, one track is composed by Adam Hertzfield. He's a Canadian producer. The songs are mainly it's like different kinds of love, and they're all really catchy. They're all great songs. I can't wait.
One of which is Wag Ka Nang Humirit.
Yes.
Sample muna tayo lang Wag Ka Nang Humirit. Pero po ba tayo pwedeng isample pa aside from Wag Ka Nang Humirit? Would it be okay po? Meron po ba kayong physical album dyan? Alright, sige. Alright, so 3:37 mga Pinas, James Reid, Wag Ka Nang Humirit. Dito lang sa Pambansang FM.
Oh yeah, I ka na ba maging aking sinisinta? Pasensya ka na, parang trip ko ngayong ibigin ka. Huwag kang mag-alala, di naman ako manlaloko. Gusto ko lang ngayong masasolo kita. Mamili ka na lang sa dalawa. Mahalin mo ako o mamahalin kita. Hindi ka pa ba nakakahalata? Sa akin wala kang wala. Kaya huwag ka na pumilit, no, no. Basta mo lang ngayon at tayo na. Huwag na magpumilit, no, no. Papakipot ka pa ba? Pagkat pahirap ang katulad mo, di na papagawalan. Huwag ka nang humiri, huwag ka nang humiri. Wala ngayon at tayo, akin ka na lang. Oh, akin ka na lang. Akin ka lang. Sa atin na lang, sa atin na lang. Hindi ko pagkakalat. Sorry naman. Alam pala nila lahat. Huwag kang mag-alala. Ako lang ang nanigurado para wala nang magpapagwapo sa'yo. Mamili ka na lang sa dalawa. Mahalin mo ako o mamahalin kita. Hindi ka pa ba nakakahalata? Sa akin wala kang wala. Kaya huwag ka na pumilit, no, no. Basta mo lang ngayon at tayo na. Huwag na magpumilit, no, no. Papakipot ka pa ba? Kahit mahirap ang katulad mo, di na papagawalan. Huwag ka nang humiri, huwag ka nang humiri. Wala ngayon at tayo, akin ka na lang. Ang best ko lang pagbigay ng mula ngayon, ika'y akin lang. Pag may reklamo'y matik lang, hindi pagbibigyan. Huwag ka nang humirit, no, no. Basta mo lang ngayon at tayo na. Papakipot ka pa ba? Kahit mahirap mo, di na papagawalan. Huwag ka nang humiri, huwag ka nang humiri. Wala ngayon at tayo, akin ka lang. Akin ka lang. Akin ka lang. Tulad mo, di na papagawalan. Huwag ka nang humiri, huwag ka nang humiri. Wala ngayon at tayo, akin ka na lang.
James Reid, wag ka nang humirit. Alright, sige. Tell us more about the album again. 6 songs, am I right?
Yes, 6 tracks.
6 tracks. And yung title ng album?
Read Alert.
Read
Read Alert.
Alert. Okay. At sabi ni Michelle ay Sabado ilalabas. So, Sabado pa lang mabibili.
Yes,
Alright, so
album's out on
Saturday?
February 14th, Saturday.
Alright, so saan ito mabibili?
All record bars. And also on iTunes, downloadable iTunes. Also,
Wala ba sa ano mo?
yes, it's there. You
Sige.
can download it on iTunes, stream it on Spotify, and also you can buy the album.
Alright, so yung mall tours mo, please?
So actually, there's a lot. On February 14, we'll be in Ayala Fairview Terraces, and then we'll be in Centrio CDO on Feb 15, Fisher Mall on Feb 20, Santa Lucia East Grand Mall on February 21, SM City Dasmariñas March 1, Eastwood Central Plaza March 6, SM City Bacoor on March 7, Venice Piazza in McKinley March 8, Ayala Center Cebu on March 13, and Araneta Center on March 15.
Busy. Oh, busy. 1 month, naka-block na, no?
2 months.
2 months. 2 months daw. Alright. So, sabi ni Jasmine Mapa, how do you see yourself 10 years from now?
10 years from now, hopefully, international singing artist.
Naman! Palakpak naman dyan! Yan ang dapat na mga sagot. Tama yun. Thank you so much, James. Maraming salamat. Anything more? Meron ka ba gusto sabihin?
Also, you can watch, I have an episode of MMK.
Yes, please.
Also out on Saturday, also on Valentine's Day. MMK's Signs of Love. It's on at 7:15 p.m. Saturday.
Alright. So, thank you. With that, thank you so much. Maraming. Meron ba? Sabihin mo na lahat ng dapat sabihin.
You can
Siyempre, isa-isang bigay mo na lahat.
You can like me on Facebook, Just James Reid. Also Twitter, James X Reid. And on Instagram, at J with the E, dot Wolf.
Kung meron ka daw gustong i-remake na song or i-cover na song, what song would that be?
Well, I did that in my first album. The song I really wanted to remake was Rock With You by Michael Jackson.
I wanna rock with you.
Yeah, it's my favorite song.
Really?
Yes.
Hindi nga pala, may nagtatanong, paano ka daw nag-handle ng mga bashers mo?
I don't.
You don't handle? You don't?
I don't deal with it.
Pero meron kang personal page na ikaw mismo ang nakakabasa ng mga comments nila or mga posts nila?
I mean, it's on my public pages, so I see it there, but I don't really give too much mind to it.
All right, that's good. Less stress, right?
Yes.
Ikaw naniniwala ka ba na ang tao kailangan maliligo araw-araw?
Yes, you should. You should.
Hindi kasi yan po ang ating hashtagan sa araw na ito. Meron po kaming parang survey. So, ikaw, anong pipiliin mo? Mahal ka o mahal mo? You know the song of Casey Tandingan? Mahal ko o mahal ako. So, anong pipiliin mo? Mahal ka o mahal mo siya?
Mahal mo siya. Yes.
Mahal mo siya.
Mahal ko siya.
Mahal mo
yes,
siya.
I would rather be the one in love.
Alright. So, sino pipiliin mo? Yung girlfriend na laging nag-I love you sa'yo, pero hindi mo siya kasama? Or, kasama mo siya araw-araw, pero wala siyang nasasabing I love you sa'yo?
Oh, that's hard. It's a difficult question. Maybe, I guess someone that says I love you every day.
Pero malayo sa'yo?
Someone that you feel it. Because even if you're with them, you don't feel it.
Yun eh. O sige. Okay na. Isa pa, last question. Ano pipiliin mo? Ikaw ang pinakamatalino sa lahat ng bobo? O ikaw ang pinakabobo sa lahat ng pinakamatalino?
Good question.
You understand the question?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, sige.
Maybe I would like to be the one that's not so smart.
Not so smart.
Yes.
With the smartest. You're the not so smart with the smartest people. You don't want to be the smartest of all the...
No, I think the smartest person in the world would have too much to stress about. And ignorance is bliss, so...
Thank you very much, mga Pinas! James Reid, maraming salamat po. Viva, thank you so much. Nito ba mga taga-ABS, CBN? Wala. So, maraming salamat po, Viva. Thank you very much. James, thank you so much. Pwede pong pa-picture sa'yo.
Of course.
Alright, sige. Mga Pinas, it's 3:45 ng Hey Home. Here's Sam. Take a break dito lang sa Fun Bansang Hapon.